message, especially, this is a very small message, especially for the young aspirants of peace and non-violence. Love, peace, non-violence and justice. These might be sheer words for some, but are the lifetime commitments for those few who are chosen for this holy task. If I am doing something good for the humanity, I am not great. The glory is to God. He is the one who carves my path. I am just a traveler. If I harbor desire, anger, attachment, greed, and pride in my heart, I cannot be worthy of God's grace to be a chosen one, because these 5 elements are my enemies, which deter me from working for God. The people all over the world are consumed with greed, jealousy, hatred, and unhealthy competition. And the result is evident right in front of us. We are all walking towards destruction. The whole world is walking towards destruction. Guru Granth Sahib, the holy book of Sikh faith, my faith, tells me destruction gives birth to hope. It is about time that we start working to get rid of these 5 enemies of ours: desire, anger, attachment, greed, and pride, who are creating a wall between us and God. Let us at least make an effort to remove this wall and try to be God's people, to do God's work. Vaheguru, Allah, Bhagwan, Almighty God tells us, love my people, serve my people, and I will love you. Let us invite love, non-violence, and peace in our everyday life, which will enable us to love people, and God will love us. God bless you.